Okay, I'm just going to kind of talk through just some reasoning through factoring, and hopefully this helps. So let's look at this problem here. Okay, 2p squared plus 15p plus 28. So remember, your answer is going to look something like this, right? Okay, and if I remember, the first two spots multiply together to get this. So I'm going to ask myself, okay, well, what, and we won't really worry about p yet. We'll just worry about the numbers. What multiplies to give me 2? Well, the only option to that is 2 and 1. Okay, so that's fine. And the order for those, for the first one, doesn't really matter. We'll worry about the order with the second one. Okay, so this one's going to be 2p and 1p. Because there's only one option, that's all I got to do. So I'm going to draw a little line. Okay. Now remember, these two spots multiply to 28. So now I got to write the combinations that could give me 28. Well, 28 and 1. I could flip them around, 1 and 28. 14 and 2. 2 and 14. And then 4 and 7 and 7 and 4. Okay, so it's one of those combinations. Might seem like a lot, but we'll kind of talk about some ways we could eliminate some of them too. So it's one of those combinations, and the key is, remember, they have to, after I do the double distribution, they have to add to positive 15. So that's the information I'm given. I know it's going to be these two. It's going to be one of these pairs, and the pairs have to add to 15. So I'm going to kind of check, because remember, we're going to be doing distribution here. So I'm going to do 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 1 times 28. Does that give me 15? No, so it's not this one. 2 times 28, okay, well that's over 15, so I know it's not going to be that one, because the other one's positive. So, okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 14 is 14. Those are close to 15, but didn't work. 2 times 14, okay, that's over 15 again, because that one's positive. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 4 is 1. Sorry, that's 4. That is 18. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 7 is 7. Oh, that's 15. Boom, it was the last one. So I wanted to do 2 times 4, so I'm going to put the plus 4 here, and then 1 times 7 plus 7 here. And let's just check our work real quick. 2p squared, that's what we knew in the beginning, plus 8p. That 2 times 4 is this 2 times 4 that we just did right here. Then this guy, plus 7p. The 7 times 1 was the 7 times 1 that we did right there. And then plus 28. 2p squared plus 15p plus 28. Oh, look at that. It works. So this was my factored form. I'd say try this method that we did over here. Might take you a little bit longer, but it's fine. You saw how we eliminated some of them pretty quick. And then, yeah, just draw this line to kind of tell you the difference between the front numbers and the back numbers. Okay? And then eventually you'll get really quick that maybe you don't even need to use this. But for now, just use that. Okay, hopefully that helps.